How to fix OpenAI Codex not responding on Android. This tutorial shows you what to do when it stops working or feels unresponsive. First, it's worth knowing that Codex is now built directly into the ChatGPT app, so all the fixes here will be applied through ChatGPT rather than a separate Codex app. From there, the first thing to try is force stopping the app. Long press the ChatGPT icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. After that, tap Force Stop and tap OK to confirm. Then try reopening the app and see if Codex is responding again. At this point, if it's still not working, go back into App Info and tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache to wipe any temporary files that might be causing the issue. Following this, reopen ChatGPT and test Codex again. Clearing the cache fixes most unresponsive behavior without affecting your account or chat history. After that, if the problem persists, open the Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and install the update if one is available, since Codex-related bugs are often patched in newer versions. From here, if it's still acting up after updating, go back into App Info, tap Storage, and this time tap Clear Data to fully reset the app. Keep in mind, you'll need to sign back in after doing this. At this point, if none of the above worked, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart to give your device a fresh start. Finally, if Codex is still unresponsive after all of this, the issue may be on OpenAI's end. Check their status page at status.openai.com to see if there's an ongoing outage affecting the service. That's how you fix OpenAI Codex not responding on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.